Look the question, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here is no sign multiplication, so 2 times 2 will be equal to 4, which will be our answer. But it is not correct because we have not followed any order of operation. So 4 minus 2 times 8 divided by 4. According to PEMDAS rule, we have to handle this division first. So 8 divided by 4 will be equal to 2 will be handled first. And you can write it in parentheses again. 4 minus 2 times 2. Now, if we replace 4 minus 2, parenthesis is replaced with multiplication. Because 2 and 2 are multiplied. Now 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. But it is wrong, as already we have mentioned that 4 should not be our answer. So multiplication will be carried out first. So 4 as it is minus 2 times 2 will be equal to 4. 4 minus 4 will be equal to 0, which is our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel.